Seeing a black screen on your Mac Mini and not sure what's wrong? Most people panic, thinking their Mac is broken, but it's often a simple issue. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Mac Mini black screen problem. Let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Check the display. So first, make sure your monitor is powered on and monitor light brightening. Now check the cable connections, like HDMI or USB-C. Unplug them and plug them back in. Then try a different monitor or cable. Solution 2. Force restart. Press and hold the power button on the back of the Mac Mini. Wait for about 10 seconds until the device shuts off. After it shuts off, hold on, wait a few seconds again, then simply press the power button again to restart. Solution 3. Boot into safe mode. Turn off your Mac if you're unable to shut down due to some startup issues or phrasing issues. Then press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to power off. Then wait for another 10 seconds, and now press and hold the power button until the startup disk and some options appear. Now release the power button. Next, select your startup disk, and after that, press and hold the shift key. You will see a button called Continue in Safe Mode. Click on it, wait for a while. You will see your login screen, and after successfully doing it, you can see a red color Safe Boot text in the top right corner. Now log in to your accounts. And that's it. Hope this works. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, take care.